Hey there, what's going on, guys? This is Kyle Ren. So we had a little Target run and we got kind of lucky. We found all of these One Piece cards that I was looking forward to buying one of these days, and yeah, I just ended up buying them. So we got a couple blisters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 blister packs all together. So, I'm pretty excited to open these. Hopefully we get something nice. And let's get right to it. All right. Okay, that's it. Just open them all up first. How are you guys doing? I know it's been a while. This isn't our usual Dragon Ball Z content, but it's all right. Yeah, these packs have been really hot at the moment. A lot of people, considering, like even myself including, are really into these packs. The big pulls, the shanks, the alt arts, they're all relatively nice to look at. What am I hoping for? For the time being, I honestly just want the alt arts, mainly Zoro, Luffy, Shanks. If they have the manga one, oh man, that'd be a hit right there. But that's probably my favorite one right there. The Shanks alt art right there. Okay, let's just open all these up first. Yep. Little surprise Target run. We got all of these right here. 9 cards in total. Leave that up there. All right, let's start it off. Number 1. All right. We got Miss Doublefinger, Hyogoro, Mocha, Roundtable, Korozumi Higarashi, Nekomamushi. Damn, these these names are a little hard. I mean, I watched One Piece, so I should know it, but pronouncing them is different. Fukurokuju, Brook, Purona, Raizo, Sanji, and we got X Drake. There we go. Look at that. All right, pack number 2. Before we start, let's take a look at these real quick. X Drake. Not bad, not bad. It's a rare, and then we got a Sanji rare. I'm really looking for the alt arts though. Those are the ones I really want. Crescent Cutlass, Boa Huang, Virgo, Sheep's Horn, Karibo, Shinobu, Scratchman Apu, Itakiri Kimazo, Gordon, Kozuki Odin, Kozuki Momonosuke. And we have Caesar Clown, rare. No hits at the moment, but it's alright. Caesar the Clown. Do you guys follow One Piece or what? You guys tell me. You guys have a favorite One Piece character? Alright. Hadruden. Oh, that's pretty nice. Bang Bang. Pacifista, Carrot, Krieg, Conjuro, Babanuki, Penguin, Paradise Waterfall, Frankie, Bartholomew Kuma, and we have Queen Rare. Oh, look at this. That's a different Dawn card. I don't think we've gotten that type of Dawn card yet. We got Kuma, Queen, and Luffy. Yeah, I wonder if those Dawn cards actually have something anything, you know, special. Aside from it just being like a turn energy, I would love to know. Come on, give us a Luffy. Hyoguro, Mocha, Round Table, Koruzumi Higurashi, Komachiyo, Fukurokuju. Oh man, look at that though. That looks nice. If this was like a holo, I think that'd be pretty sick. Shachi, Mr. Two Bon, Bentham, Killer, Crocodile, oh, Thunder Bagua, and Nami. Just rares. But this one looks nice though, look at that. Got a little manga picture in there. Not a bad card. Not a bad card. Come on, give us something, give us a hit. Come on, a Luffy. And then I think it's all worth it. A Luffy is all I need, and then it's all worth it. Okay, Hyoguro, Mocha, Round Table, Koruzumi Hiraguchi. This is like the same exact one as the last one. Kamachiya, Shachi, Otsuru in 2 years. Kyoshiro, Brook, Gecko Moria, and Jag. Nothing yet, just a bunch of rares at the moment. Oh man. It's alright. We'll have that last pack magic, I believe. I believe in the last pack magic, boys. Let's keep going. Alvida, Cavendish, Officer Agents, Holidem, Bellamy, Kawamatsu, Inuarashi, Desert Spada, Sasaki, Otama, Thunder Bagua, and Nami again. Oh man. Same one as the last one. The same two actually. Come on, give us an alt art. We need an alt art. Just one of them. One alt art. Give us Luffy, please. Green Star Rafflesia, Speed, Marco, Elephant's Marchu, Miss Double Finger, Nekumashi, Fukurokuju, Mr. 3, Raizo, Monkey D. Luffy, Nico Robin Rare, Punk Gibson. Okay. Not bad, not bad. How many more left do we have? Oh man, we got 2 left. Is any of these gonna have it? Any of these gonna have the anything? Any of the hits? Any alt arts? Come on. Give us something. Monette, You Can Be My Samurai. Sai, Smiley, Bartolomeo, Urashimu, Wire, Pirona, Artificial Devil Smile, Komurusaki, Uta, and Crocodile. Oh my goodness. Just a bunch of rares. Oh, this is an SR. There you go. Crocodile-san. Nice. Alright, last one, boys. Let's see. What we get. Let's go, boys. Let's start with this. Okay. Alright. Hadrudin, Babang, Pacifista, Carrot, Korozumi, Jean Bart, Chondro. Okay, guys. Come on. Hopefully we get something. Demon Face, Mr. Tubon Kure Bentham, Komurosaki, Denjiro. Oh, Monkey D. Luffy LR. Okay. SR. Nice. Not bad, not bad. At least we got the Luffy one. Look at that. Not a bad card. Let's look at our hits so far, boys. Okay, let's see. Got a Luffy SR, okay. Dendro, rare. Crocodile SR. Utah, rare. Punk Gibson, rare. Nico Robin, rare. Thunder Bagua, rare. Nami, rare. Deku Moria, rare. Jack, rare. Thunder Bagua again. Nami. We got this one. Not bad. Queen, rare. Kuma, rare. Caesar Clown, rare. Momonosuke, rare. Sanji, rare. And X Drake, rare. And that's all we have today so far. Our big hits are these two right here. Not bad. You guys let me know, are you guys looking for one? You guys are into One Piece? Let me know. Alright. See you guys later. Peace.